Introduction to version control.
Version control systems are essential tools for any software team. They allow developers to track, manage, and organize changes to their code. This makes it possible for teams to work together without accidentally overwriting each other's work, ensuring that every idea and improvement is safely recorded.
Tracking every change.
With version control, every change to the codebase is tracked. Developers can see who made specific changes, when they were made, and why. This detailed history means that mistakes can easily be found and fixed, and valuable work is never lost, even when errors occur.
Safe collaboration for teams.
Multiple people can work on the same project at once with version control. Developers create branches or copies of the code, make changes, and then merge those updates back into the main project. This helps teams avoid conflicts and enables everyone to contribute efficiently without fear of code loss.
Restoring previous versions.
Version control systems keep a complete record of all past versions of the code. If an issue appears, teams can easily roll back to a previous, stable version. This safety net makes experimenting with new features much less risky and encourages continuous improvement.
Boosting productivity and confidence.
By providing clear records and tools for teamwork, version control removes guesswork from coding. Teams can confidently collaborate, review each other's work, and build on everyone's ideas. This not only prevents code loss, but also boosts overall productivity and software quality.